Hello, let's talk about sports vocabulary. Soccer, basketball, volleyball, baseball, cricket, hockey, rugby, American football, handball, tennis, table tennis, badminton, golf, boxing, wrestling, swimming, gymnastics, cycling, skiing, skydiving, rock climbing, surfing, skateboarding, snowboarding, motocross, bogey jumping, ball, bat, racket, goalpost, net, helmet, gloves, skin guards, jersey, sneakers, knee pads, stopwatch, stadium, court, field, pitch, jam, track, pool, ring, rink, kick, pass, throw, catch, dribble, hit, score, tackle, serve, sprint, jump, swim, athlete, player, coach, referee, goalkeeper, captain, teammate, opponent, spectator, fan, match or game, tournament, championship, trophy, overtime, foul, penalty, overside, victory, defeat.